This video explains how to import data from your gINT files into your Geotech corporate database. In a module, ensure that you are connected to your corporate database. If not, go to File, Open Database for an Access database, or File, Connect Database for an SQL Server, MySQL, or Oracle database. Select the desired import from the file Import from gINT project menu. Choose the location of the files. All files with a GPJ extension from the folder will then be listed in the bottom table. You can view the content of a file to adjust the mapping, which is the correspondence between gINT fields and Geotech fields. You can use the default mapping or choose another one that has already been defined. The default mapping automatically associates a few fields. In each tab showing the field of a gINT file table, associate the Geotech field with the drop-down list. For example, here I associate the gINT field name client with the Geotech field name client name. I perform these steps for all desired fields. The values in the green column are from the first record for reference. You can also check other values if necessary. Fields that will not be imported do not need to be mapped. The dummy row allows you to enter a specific value into a Geotech field, such as the unit system. First, select the Geotech table and field, then enter the desired value in the format cell. For sampling, Geotech automatically maps this sample table if it is found. If not, click on the tab and select another table. Click on Other to check all the gINT tables. Tables in red are empty, while the number indicates the number of records found in the gINT project. You can save the mapping using Save As to give it a name or Save to override the current one. The default mapping cannot be modified. You can also delete a mapping if needed. The View Mapping button allows you to display the full list of the current mapping. When the mapping is validated, click on Import Data for the current file or go back to the file list and select multiple files for batch import. It's important that the selected files have a similar structure to import their data with the same mapping. For each file, confirm the import of the project data with the indicated number or rename it before importing. View the import report for more details or directly view the insert data. Importing gINT projects allows you to access all your drilling data history and have a single comprehensive source of information. Geotech also allows you to import investigation data in AGS or DIGS format, as well as Excel workbooks or CSV files.